How to add a new color to your knitting. I've worked up a swatch in this aqua shade, and I want to add a section in this darker teal color. I'll just be joining that new shade at the beginning of my next row. I've already broken the aqua color yarn and I've left a long tail, and I'm simply going to hold that on the wrong side of my work. It's just simply tucked in back there. I'm going to insert my needle and start working that first stitch, but I'm grabbing my teal yarn and I'm wrapping it around and drawing up a loop. I'm going to make sure I'm dropping the teal tail, and I'm just working with the regular teal from the ball now. And I'm simply going to knit across this row. There's no real trick to this. You're simply just knitting like you would with your original aqua colored working yarn. And once your work is finished, all you'll need to do is take that teal tail and your aqua tail, and you'll weave those in on the wrong side of your work. And that's how you add a new color to your knitting.